The best feature by far is the ability for this to fold up. It's portable, it's easy to tear down and reassemble in a matter of minutes. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Amazon Basics 14-inch bed frame. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the retail box and packaging for our bed frame. We have the 14-inch variation and for a queen mattress, but they support mattress sizes from twin to twin XL, to full, to queen, to king, and to California king. If you don't want the 14-inch version, they also have an 18-inch version that's going to give you even more clearance and space underneath your bed for storage. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. You can see we have our user guide and manual, followed by our hardware kit. So you can see the hardware kit right there. And then we have our two metal frames that we're going to attach together with the hardware kit. Now let's go ahead, let's look at the user guide and manual and go over setup and installation. Setup and installation, simple and straightforward. We have 4 easy steps for assembly. The first step is to go ahead and you're going to open up the base, and you're going to do that for both bases. The second step is then we're going to lock the legs in place. The third step is we're going to flip the base over, and then the fourth step is we're going to attach both of them together with the included hardware. So we'll make one attachment on each end, and that's it. Everything will then be assembled. So here we go. Check out the bed frame fully assembled. It was very simple. It took about a minute or so to get everything fully connected and unfolded. Very, very simple. And we can look in more detail now. You can see how you're supposed to place the hardware kit. So you have your one threaded connector end right here. We have our spacer in the middle that it runs through, and then we have our last end cap that we thread everything together with right there. And then we can go to the other side and you'll see it's the exact same setup right here. And that's it, guys. You're just going to unfold it, flip it over, and attach it at those 2 points. And there we go. We have our queen frame all set up and ready to go. So looking at the bed frame fully assembled, you can see the nice construction. It's very durable. It's a solid frame, great to support your mattress on top of it, as well as people sleeping on top of that. You're not going to have any issues. It's got solid construction. The best feature by far is the ability for this to fold up. It's portable. It's easy to tear down and reassemble in a matter of minutes. And at 14 inches, we have plenty of space underneath to store our belongings. And if for some reason that's not enough, or you want your bed higher up off of the ground, you can also get the 18-inch version. So looking at the frame from this angle, you can see that under bed storage right there, again at 14 inches. I think the only drawback to this is, since it is so portable, we do have some extra support arms on the front and back of our frame. It's on both sides. So that's going to take away and eat into a little bit of your storage space that you might not get with another bed style. But the compromise is that other bed style, those bed frames typically aren't portable like this. So you kind of got to pick what works for you. If you want to have some portability and still a lot of storage underneath, you're going to want to check out a bed frame like this. If you don't want to have the portability, you don't need it, and you want to have maximum space for storage underneath, then you're probably going to look at some other bed frames. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.